Welcome back. Today we are looking at the BODEGACOOLER 35L built-in car refrigerator for Tesl Redefines The Modern built-in refrigerator Smart 1001. The BODEGACOOLER 35L built-in car refrigerator for Tesla Model Y is engineered as a high-efficiency thermal management system rather than a traditional portable fridge. Its architecture is optimized for electric vehicles, long-distance road travel, and off-grid camping scenarios where power stability, silent operation, and space utilization are critical engineering constraints at its core. This unit integrates a high-performance compressor system capable of reaching temperatures down to -4 while maintaining a controlled operational range up to 68. Check the video description for the updated price link. This allows the system to function not only as a freezer, but also as a precision beverage cooler and food preservation module. The design philosophy prioritizes integration, meaning it fits seamlessly into Tesla Model Y configurations without compromising cabin ergonomics or storage geometry. One of the most technically impressive aspects is the ultra-quiet operation profile. The compressor system is dampened and optimized for low acoustic emission, making it suitable for overnight camping inside the vehicle cabin without disruptive noise pollution. This makes it particularly appealing for EV users who value silent environments. For users seeking a deeper exploration of integrated travel tech systems, this related product guide provides additional insights into smart compact ecosystem devices that complement modern mobile living setups. The BODEGACOOLER 35L system is built around several advanced engineering components that collectively enhance cooling reliability and operational intelligence. It includes dual-mode power compatibility, 12V 24V DC, and AC support, allowing seamless transition between vehicle operation and stationary indoor use. This multi-voltage architecture ensures consistent thermal performance regardless of environment. Smart app control is another defining feature. Through mobile integration, users can remotely monitor temperature levels, adjust cooling modes, and optimize energy consumption. This eliminates the need for manual interaction and enhances usability during travel. The compressor-driven cooling system ensures rapid thermal response, significantly reducing cool-down time compared to thermoelectric systems. This is critical when storing perishable goods in high ambient temperatures. Additional design highlights include precision temperature control from -4 to 68, space-saving built-in architecture optimized for Tesla Model Y, reinforced thermal insulation for minimal energy loss, intelligent battery protection system to prevent vehicle power drain, shock-resistant internal structure for road vibration stability in performance testing scenarios. The BODEGACOOLER 35L demonstrates strong thermal consistency under fluctuating environmental conditions. The compressor reacts quickly to temperature changes, achieving rapid pull-down performance even when initially loaded with ambient temperature contents. One of the key strengths is thermal stability during continuous operation. Unlike passive or thermoelectric systems, this compressor-based architecture maintains stable internal temperatures even when external cabin temperatures fluctuate significantly due to sunlight exposure or engine heat in hybrid environments. Energy efficiency is another critical performance factor. The integrated battery protection system ensures that vehicle power is not excessively drained, making it suitable for overnight camping scenarios. The system intelligently cycles compressor activity based on thermal load, reducing unnecessary energy consumption. Noise performance remains one of the standout engineering achievements. Even under full cooling load, the acoustic output remains minimal, allowing users to sleep inside the vehicle without disturbance. The internal structure of this refrigerator is optimized for spatial efficiency and thermal isolation. Combined with reinforced casing, the system is designed for extended road usage cycles, including rough terrain travel. The smart control system also enhances predictive cooling behavior. Check the link in the description to get yours today.